Welcome to Campr, your daily dose of dust and fun. Today, more Campr classics, the ARB awning giveaway, Jayco's latest range and where to see it, but for now, let's lace up the boots and head bush. This trip to the Banana Shire has been a real eye-opener for me with my newfound mate from up this way, Frank Smallwood. Frank had promised I'd be blown away by the natural beauty of this place, and I tell you, he was right on the money. In only a few short days, we've seen plane wrecks on mountains, crossed creeks and fished dams. We've seen the amazing sandstone country that the region is famous for and had some quality time around the old bush TV. Today, our guide Frank has us heading for Isla Gorge, one of the stars of the Sandstone Wonders region. So there are plenty of beautiful things to look at in your neck of the woods, but this is probably the most famous, hey, Isla Gorge?
Yeah, it is, and probably the most famous because it's just off the Leichhardt Highway. It doesn't make it any less spectacular. I'm sure you'll agree. It's absolutely fantastic. It's again a peaceful place to be and just beautiful sandstone country.
It's not recommended that people go down into the gorge, is it?
It's not recommended. However, if people want to do their homework, they are able to touch base with a long-term resident in this area who would meet them here and take them down a safe route into the gorge, and it is a fantastic experience.
Okay, it's a spectacular example of what you've been talking about with these sandstone wonders. The gorge itself is beautiful, and it's particularly nice at the moment, I guess, because we've had a little bit of good weather over the last couple of months, and it's really greened the place up.
Yeah, look, it has, and it's going to make some locals happy when spring comes around because, of course, it was very, very dry when spring came around last year, and we didn't get that beautiful bloom of the native flowers. This year we will get that.
Well, that's Isla Gorge done. Let's head for another of the region's natural wonders, Krakauer Beach. A beach out here? I don't think so. So for those people who think that it all looks the same out here, we're proving it wrong, aren't we? I mean, this is incredible, this place. Where are we?
Yeah, we're at Krakow Beach, which is around about 20 kilometres to the northwest of Krakow Township. I know it sounds like a really strange term that we're in the middle of nowhere and we're at a beach, but this is where Isla Delusion Creek meets the Dawson River.
Yep. Krakauer Beach far away in time, is it?
Oh, absolutely far away in time.
Gyranda Station has been producing Santa Gertruda's cattle since 1952. The Joyces are generational cowcockies who will very kindly allow us to camp beside the Dawson tonight on their land at Orange Creek Weir. And tell me a little bit about the history of the pastoral lease. It's obviously been in the family for generations, is it?
My family bought it in 1926. My father came back from India where he'd been working and took on the management in 1936. Then I took over the management when he retired to Mullaney, and then I managed it till 2012 when I handed it over to my daughter and eldest daughter and son-in-law. And we've had a magic life here because it's...
Yeah. Do you get sick of that view, ever?
Never got sick of it. I've driven home from work pretty well every day of my life towards that skyline of the Gyranda Ranges there. Never get sick of it, no matter what time of the day it is, whether it's early morning looking at the sun on it or in the evening with the sun behind it. It's always spectacular.
We're heading to a location this afternoon which is on your property, and this is available to people if they want to come camping. And tell us a bit about where we're going today.
The spot's Orange Creek Weir. It's a beautiful spot in the river, fairly typical in that you've got access to a big waterhole, palm trees, blue gum, red gum, tea trees, the typical environment along the river here.
At our campsite, we're greeted by the local mob. It's a beautiful time of the afternoon on Gyranda Station, just me and my mates. Cold beer in the sunset. The campsite and good company on a night like this is the reason that most of us pack up and hit the road. It is the essence of what this camper caper is all about. Frank does love his cooking, and tonight he's decided to produce for us a damper. Oh, mate. Thank you very much. Did you make this?
Yeah, I did. while you're out there looking at that sunset, special brew.
Oh, that is really good. What's that? Is there fruit in there?
Yeah, we put some sultanas and raisins in for you. Had to be special.
We've had a great time out here with Frank, and it just goes to show that if you do a little bit of research and take the time to look around, you might just find an undiscovered gem. The Banana Shire is the place to come looking, and yes, you very well may run into Frank himself. Head to sandstonewonders.com and the OQTA website will fill you in on all the info. Ariat boots are available at stockists around the country, and ARB has all the gear when you replace foot power with horsepower.
Probably one of our most exciting new products at the show is our Linx system. And Linx is basically a device that links all your gadgets in the car with this simple hand controller. We can have our batteries monitored by it, so we always know what's going on. We've got our speed, altitude and bearing. We can operate air suspension. We can operate a front locker and a rear locker. We'll operate your air compressor, and then all the lights on your vehicle. And even better, when you're out of the car and in the camp, you simply disconnect it, take it with you, and you can operate all your lights.
Uh-oh. Got him right in the head.
The Brisbane Caravan Camping and Touring Super Show is on again, Wednesday, June 6 till Monday, June 11 at the R&A Showgrounds. The Jayco Brisbane Camperland stand is the largest and will feature over 60 units in the upper level of the RICC building. Whether you're in the market for a van, a touring holiday, or just mildly curious about the lifestyle, it's a great opportunity to check out the range of options in what is quickly becoming Australia's fastest growing lifestyle change. Getting out and seeing this great country of ours. If getting off-roads you think, then take a look at the exciting Jayco Adventurer range. Jayco's latest and greatest and toughest off-roader is, in my opinion, the star of the Brisbane Camperland site this year. I give you the Adventurer. But if you prefer the blacktop, I'm sure you'll find something that will have you dreaming of hitting the road. Another great reason to head along to this year's show is a 50% discount on entry as the show celebrates 50 years. There'll be show bonus packs across the Jayco range, and the entire Brisbane Camperland crew will be on hand if you have any questions. We look forward to seeing you on the Jayco Brisbane Camperland stand at this year's Brisbane Caravan Camping and Touring Super Show, June 6 to 11 at the R&A Showgrounds. See you there. Our next camper giveaway is a beauty, an ARB canvas awning for your next off-road adventure. Keeping you cool in the dry and dry in the wet, ARB awnings are a must-have for a day at the beach or a night in the bush. ARB awnings feature anodised height-adjustable telescopic legs, Velcro ties, all secured and free from the outside elements in a heavy-duty nylon reinforced PVC bag. Fully waterproof and with a UVP rating of 50+, the ARB awning comes in 3 sizes and is yours to win. Follow the link to enter the competition, and to increase your number of entries, just follow the prompts. The more entries you have, the more chance of winning, and you've got to be in it to win it. The prize will be drawn on Friday, August 3. Register now and good luck.